Tax time always brings out scammers trying to trick taxpayers. But the IRS is warning there's more confusion this year because of a payment some taxpayers will receive. Channel 2 consumer investigator Justin Gray is here now to help sort this out. Justin?
Well, George, there really is free money this year for some taxpayers. Automatic payments for a small number of people who did not get economic impact payments back during the pandemic. Scammers are jumping on that with texts that are designed to create confusion. This is one of the texts scammers are sending, claiming to be the IRS with $1,400. It's fraud based on real information. About 1 million taxpayers are due money from the IRS, people who didn't claim the recovery rebate credit on their 2021 tax returns. That's why the IRS Inspector General sent out this warning about these phishing texts now. John Haraburda is with Transaction Network Services, a company that flags scam texts and calls. Their new data shows Georgia is second in the entire country for these types of scam calls and texts.
The way of IRS communicating with the citizen or the taxpayer is based upon mail. And the calling of you by an IRS labeled call is not going to be legitimate.
Perpetua Mirando told my colleague at our North Carolina sister station that she received one of the fake texts.
What made you suspicious?
Well, I don't feel like IRS could reach out to me via text. I don't believe that.
She's right. The IRS won't reach out to you by text or phone. But scammers are counting on either the lure of free money or the fear of the IRS to get you to act.
When the federal government is asking you a question, you pay attention, right? So that's part of the social engineering mechanism that's in place with these types of robocalls.
And Transaction Network Services found Georgians received about 225,000 tax-related robocalls just in January. The people eligible for the rebate payments from the IRS are receiving them automatically. So if you're one of the people with money coming your way, you don't need to do anything. If someone asks you to, that is a red flag, George.
All right, Justin, good advice there.